So today we're going to learn about the letter C, okay? C is for cat. Can you say cat? Say cat.
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 Look, this k. This no k.
No.
And red k.
This letter says k. So today we're going to learn about the letter C.
C.
This is an uppercase C,
Uppercase C.
lowercase c.
Lowercase.
C says a sound. Yes. It's the letter C.
That is C. It's easy. There you go.
C is for carrot,
Carrot.
crab,
Crab.
cat,
Cat.
cake.
Wait, where's the crab?
We'll find the crab in a little bit. Okay, it's playing hide and seek. It's hiding.
Circle it.
Oh yeah, circle it. Circle the cake.
Wait.
Car.
Car.
Circle the car. Oh, that's crab. Crab.
Crab.
Cat. Circle the cat.
No, that's not a cat.
That's not a cat. What is that?
Car.
Car. What about the clock?
Clock.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Cat.
Cat. Milk.
We have a crab.
Crab.
We found the crab. Look. You see that?
Wait. That's a small crab.
That's a small crab and this is a big crab.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, we found the
Hello,
crab.
baby crab.
Hello, baby crab. What's your name?
That big crab.
That's a big crab.
Oh, I can rub myself.
Oh.
I rub myself.
You ripped yourself.
Mm-hmm.
This is a crab you can cut in half.
Mm-hmm.
That's good, Mommy. What else do we have in here?
Surprise!
It's a carrot. Look.
Surprise, Sonic!
Surprise, Sonic. It's a carrot.
Hey, Sonic, Cricket.
Thank you for my...
Shoot.
What's that?
I can't.
A cat.
I need to put it in there.
Right here. The cat goes right there.
No, inside.
He'll go back to his home in a little bit. Let's just put the kitty cat right there. What else is in here?
Surprise, Sonic.
It's a cow.
Put a cow is in there.
A cow is in there.
Put a cow, Sonic.
A cow says moo.
No.
No?
You're gonna drop him.
I'm sorry, I
Be
didn't mean
nice
to drop
and
him.
careful.
Oh, be nice and careful. Okay. Good job.
No. Actually pick when apple juice.
Let's see, what else is in here?
I think.
You have a caterpillar. You have a caterpillar. Oh no, that's a cricket. It's a cricket. Cricket's hop. That's a cricket. What else is in here?
Wait.
What's that?
That's Elsa.
Elsa, you got the letter C. Is that uppercase C or lowercase C?
Uppercase for Elsa.
This is lowercase for Elsa. That's the baby C.
Baby.
Lowercase C goes over there.
Yes.
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 Good job. Let's see. What else do you have?
There's no big.
Uppercase C?
Uppercase C.
Yep, you got the uppercase C.
And more animals.
Whoa, you got a camel and a caterpillar?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Dada! Sonic surprise! Look! Put it!
You got a caterpillar, camel, cricket. You got lots of animals that start with the letter C.
The
Some
cricket.
insects and animals.
Count the seconds up with the locust E. The king. Ta-da!
It's a car.
Let me drive.
You're gonna drive.
I'm gonna get some fruit for you.
You're gonna get some
Sonic.
food for me.
I'm gonna get some food for you, Sonic.
Ooh, thank you. So, Elsa,
I'm driving away.
you're driving away, Elsa. So what are all of these things? These are all things that start with the letter C? Oh no, I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Can you help me figure out what I have in front of me?
Okay.
What do you have?
You want to hold it?
Uppercase C?
It's also for the round craft movie E.
Okay, I'll hold the uppercase C.
No. It's my favorite shoe.
What
Wait
about
then, wait then.
lowercase c?
Wait then.
Can I hold lowercase c?
Wait. This is count answers.
So this is uppercase C and lowercase c?
Car.
Yes, we have a car right there. So you have, can I tell you what you have? You have a carrot, crab, cat, cake, car, clock. And look, Elsa, you have a caterpillar, a cricket, a camel, and a cow. You have so many things that start with the letter C.
Hey, go. I have a surprise for you, Elsa. I have a surprise for you.
You have a
Sonic.
surprise for you or surprise for me?
Surprise for you, Sonic.
Is the surprise helping me figure out where to put the uppercase and lowercase C?
Yes, it can.
It can be. Whoa!
I made a huge E.
This is cool.
We
This is
made-
kind of like that puzzle. You want to take it apart and put it back together?
Make it.
Okay.
Mom's time.
Yeah.
And a baby. And really a baby.
You're really a baby?
Please, you get the letter C.
Yes, I will help you with the letter C.
Please,
So-
you get the letter C. Sonic,
How about we try this way? Do you want to try that way?
are you trying the letter C, Sonic?
Yes, I want to try to put together the letter C.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. The crayons go under the cake.
Go under the cake.
Yes, and then the carrot goes under the crayons. Whoa, baby and Elsa. You guys put the C back together?
Yes.
C is for...
Wait.
Oh, what?
I need to drive in the car.
You need to drive your car on there? Okay.
Follow
Elsa.
me. Go in the
Oh,
car.
okay, let's go. Good job. Thank you for bringing me here.
Okay. Walk for the letters.
So guess what, Elsa and baby? You guys found a clown, cake, crayons, and carrot. Did you know that? All of these things start with the letter C too. Whoa.
Get under the lava.
I'm on the lava. The lava's right here and you want to get off the lava? Is this safe? We have to jump on the letter C's. Look, C is for cake, car, couch, cow. I jump on the car. Where do I jump next?
This.
On the clown? Car, clown. Where do I jump next? Lowercase c?
Lowercase C.
Lowercase c. Where do we go next?
This.
Uppercase C.
Uppercase
C can be for Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
That's Coca-Cola.
No.
C is for Coca-Cola?
No. That's not C for Coca-Cola.
No, what is that C for?
For Roblox.
C is not for Roblox. C is for Coca-Cola.
No, it's not a Coca-Cola.
It's not a Coca-Cola? Why not?
It's Roblox.
You and your Roblox.
Look. Clap our hands.
Oh, clap. C is for clap?
Yes.
Clap your hands.
Wait. You need to put your hat on there.
Oh, it's my Coca-Cola hat.
Uh-huh.
Coca-Cola hat. Coca-Cola hat.
No. Wait. Clap hands hat.
Clap hands hat. It's my clap hands hat.
And
Wow. And you're the Coca-Cola hat, and this is a clap hands cat?
No.
No?
This is Roblox hat and Elsa.
So C can be for cake and circle.
No. You said it's gonna hurt.
My stomach is gonna hurt if I eat too much cake?
Yes.
What? So should I eat cake or should I not eat cake?
Not eat cake.
Why should I not eat cake?
Because that's my red cake.
It's your red cake? What about the circle? Can I have the circle?
No, this is not a cake.
Can I have the circle?
No, this is not a circle cake.
It's not a circle cake?
Too much cake.
Too much cake and too much circle?
It's really gonna hurt your stomach.
Oh, okay. I don't want my stomach to hurt, so I'm not gonna eat no more circle cake. Deal?
It can't have a little bit cake.
Thank you for my little bit of cake. Cake.
It's a little bit much cake.
Ooh, thank you. What about a circle? Can I have a circle?
No, it's too much circle cake.
Too much circle cake. Okay. You have lots of pictures in front of you, and I have words in front of me. I am looking for a cloud. Can you please help me find the picture of a cloud?
I need help, Sonic.
Here, Elsa, look.
I need help.
I found a cloud. Can you please help me find the picture of a cloud? A cloud. Like a cloud in the sky. I am looking for a cat. Can you help me find a cat?
No, this is the...
That's for a white cat.
Wait, I need help.
You need help? You can do this, Elsa. You can do this.
This is good cat.
Now I'm looking for
Sonic.
a cow.
The French sauce purple cake.
Here's a cow. Can you help me find the picture of a cow? Oh, hug. Can you help me look for the picture of a cow?
No. Wait. It's upside down.
That's
Look,
upside down.
it's upside down.
Oh no upside down.
It's upside down. Look.
Can you help me look for the picture of a cake, please? Oh, not a cake, a cow. The cat. Now cow. I need a picture of a cow.
Sonic, help.
Yes, I help you. Clock. I am looking for the picture of a clock.
I rip it, Sonic.
Can you help me find a clock?
Oh, that's...
Picture of a clock.
Wait, the second. That's no... Wait.
Look for a picture of a clock, please.
Wait. The clock.
Clock. Where's the picture of a clock? Clock. Good job.
I need to lay down in my food.
Yeah. Do you want to lay down on the camel,
No.
the corn, or the carrot?
The carrot.
That's corn, and that's a carrot.
She just wants to lay down, Sonic.
She just wants to lay down. Go to sleep, Elsa. We got a cupcake, cat, and a cup. Look, Elsa, I'm jumping on the cupcake, jumping on the cupcake, jumping on the cat, jumping on the cat.
No. It's gonna hurt your cat.
Jumping on the
No,
cup.
it's gonna break.
It's gonna break. So if I jump on the cat, it's gonna hurt him.
It's gonna hurt him.
And if I jump on the cup, it's gonna break. What happens if I jump on the can?
No, it's gonna break too.
It's gonna break too. What if I jump on the cupcake?
Oh, it can't. It's really gonna squishy. Oh,
It's gonna be squishy. Can I
Eat it.
eat the cupcake?
Wait.
What?
The birds want to eat cupcakes.
The birds want to eat cupcakes too?
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, let me get to rainbow cupcake.
Rainbow cupcake. Good job, Mommy.